here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. Go for this bit first, I guess. Nice greens. Little blue vein going through there. Basically what you see there's probably what you're going to end up with without the white light. But sometimes you can Dremel some more of this brown out if you're careful, but it's very thin. Just a little eye, green eye of opal there. Piece of matrix. That's spectacular. Little vein. Colour there. Another little eye. Or was that the same one? I think I've already showed you that. Here's a piece of matrix. Back. Little eye of colour, off cut. This bit I think is just thrown in. That might grind off. Come through here. Might end up with a stone. No guarantee, of course. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.